Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at ADA, Cardano, and COTI, both of them. First of all, we're going to take a look at Cardano. Cardano, like I said before in the update this morning, Cardano is doing really well. Showing a lot of strength, a lot of buying coming in. This looks like it could be the bottom for Cardano. We came off of the bottom here. And actually, let me move this up a little bit, condense this so we can see this a little bit easier, a little bit better, like so, and like so. And so we can see a little bit of some targets coming up. Okay, there we go. So taking a look at Cardano, ADA. Now we were in this really long downtrend. We had a grind all the way down to 123. We pumped up, we were rejected here, and then came down to the 106 area. That was pretty painful. Seeing a lot of buying at that point in time, ran up. Now we're having a massive run up today. And this was the critical line I told you, this 152. We needed to hold this 152 that we had been rejected at before, a little bit above that. And the breakout line, you see this diagonal line, this is a breakout line of this W pattern. We have broken out, and you may ask why did we break out? Well, the reason why we broke out and why we're actually looking like we may hold above this line now, we may actually hold 152, not really sure yet, we'll just have to wait and see, is because of the big SundaySwap news. Okay, SundaySwap is going to be most likely the first and most successful DEX on on Cardano, and so that is the big news. Now, currently, we are overbought. We're expensive by relative standards. The RSI is 76, almost 77, about 77, and the stochastics is overbought as well. However, the reason why we're seeing this is because of SundaySwap. Now, let me explain this. SundaySwap here on their website asks the question, when Sunday? And then they respond with Thursday, right? This was released over the weekend. This was released yesterday, I believe. What's today? Oh, a couple days ago, I guess. And so basically it says Thursday, January 20, SundaySwap will launch as a fully functional beta decentralized exchange DEX. All right, that's very important. Well, why is that important? Well, because they will be releasing rewards to those who stake ADA tokens. Okay, it says January 25th, the first round of ISO rewards will be calculated. ISO participants must delegate to ADA qualifying ISO scoopers prior to 21:45. I believe that's what, 9:45 UTC Central Time, January 25th, to receive the rewards. January 20, yield farming Sunday rewards begin. Yield farming will be available for at least the first 6 months of the SundaySwap DEX. During this period, LP tokens staked to yield farming contracts and eligible pools can earn additional Sunday rewards. See below for more details. So again, you can see this on SundaySwap.finance. I suggest you, if you're interested in this kind of thing, if you're interested in staking rewards, if you're currently right now, this is the only way to get the Sunday token, SundaySwap token, is through what's called an airdrop, right? And staking rewards. So you can see this on their SundaySwap.finance website, and you can read, or you just go to SundaySwap.com, I believe, or .io. What is it? Let me take a look real quick. SundaySwap.finance. Yeah, okay, SundaySwap.finance. Okay, and just look at their news updates, and then you'll be able to see all of the information. And now you need to stake your ADA tokens to certain pools, right? Certain staking pools. And let's see, where is the list of staking pools? Okay, so they call the staking pools ISO scoopers. ISO scoopers. And so here on this page, they actually, let's see, should be, oh, here's a list. Okay. Right here it says, all that said, we are very happy with the strong community participation and the results. We are now pleased to introduce to everyone the first cohort of SundaySwap scoopers. And so all of these scoopers here, if you stake with them, you will be eligible to receive airdrops, or what they call airdrops or staking rewards, the SundaySwap token basically. Excuse me. So that's pretty much what I understand about this, all of this. I'm not a real staker. I'm not a real DEX person. More of an investor and some occasional trades, but yeah. So, but anyway, that is what is pumping ADA right now, and of course, because ADA is pumping, we see COTI pumping, right? ADA currently $1.52, and now we see also COTI is pumping because ADA is pumping, and COTI is the stable coin for the ADA ecosystem. So we did see that we did get rejected here. We had a pump, got rejected, had a pump, got rejected, came down, double bottomed here. Double bottom is same area where it was before, moved up, rejected by the 200 daily moving average on the 4 hour, and then now we're pumped up again to about 37 cents. So a lot of pumping going on in the ADA ecosystem with ADA and COTI. Just be careful. COTI is currently at the 70 RSI, looking overbought, but the stochastics is midline. So could we see some more upside? Yeah, we could see some more upside. Excuse me. We could see some more upside with COTI. However, to be honest, I think more of the attention right now is on ADA. ADA, I would suspect is, or I would say is a better buy right now, just because of staking. Now, a lot of the buyers with ADA are, a lot of buyers that are buying ADA right now are most likely not going to sell, because they are going to stake their tokens to get rewards and airdrops, and this is very important to understand. Okay, so this pump here, a lot of it will hold because a lot of the buyers will not sell. So I don't think we're going to see a real huge sell down like we've seen before. I may be wrong, I'm not really sure. Here's the important part to understand is we don't really know how many buyers that are going to stake this are pumping the price, and how many of these buyers are temporary short-term traders, right? So we just don't know. So in my opinion, I'm just going to wait a little bit and kind of see what happens with the price. I'm not going to jump in just yet. It's pumped up. I want to see the short-term traders, I want to see them sell and take profits, right? It's kind of like, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. So I've seen these types of events before, although this one is a little bit different because we do have a lot of these buyers are going to stake their tokens. They're not going to sell them. So what's interesting is we could see a new baseline for Cardano. We could see a new average price come in. This is really what ADA needed. And so we could see ADA stabilizing, between, around 140, 150 maybe, or maybe even above 150 when this news gets out. And a lot of people realize, hey, there's rewards here. And when everybody learns about this, we could be going even much higher. So just not really sure. Right now, 1.6 billion tokens have been staked so far in response to this SundaySwap news. All right, so again, we need to hold above 152, this breakout point on this double bottom, the neckline, and if we can hold this, then we will be going higher, at least in the short term. So again, this is good news. We might see a new baseline. It might, because we came down here to about $1.06. That was rough. So again, we may not see $1.06 again, because a lot of these buyers, like I said, are not going to sell. They're going to stake their tokens. So this may hold ADA, somewhere in the, it may provide a new bottom, somewhere between 140, 150. It just depends, again, how many of the buyers here during this rally are staking and not going to sell, and how many buyers are short-term traders and will sell, right? So there you have it, friends. Don't want to make the video too long. This is why ADA Cardano is pumping, is because of the SundaySwap news. The first DEX on Cardano, and if you stake your ADA in those pools on their website that I had shown, and you can go to sundayswap.finance to see that list again. They're called Sunday ISO Scoopers, and there's a link. Make sure you stake your ADA tokens with those scoopers, okay? With those basically staking pools right here. Make sure you're with these staking pools to receive the rewards. If you do not stake with one of these, you will not receive rewards. So just remember, okay? Now, also certain staking pools give percentages of interest. 4 to 5% is pretty common, what I've seen before. So if you do have a lot of tokens, you can stake, get your interest, earn ADA tokens, and at the same time, you can get rewards, you can get airdrops of tokens, So this is something that a lot of these crypto investors do, and it can be lucrative. Just remember, you're going to have to pay taxes on it. So depending on where you live, of course. If you live in certain places, I think like Puerto Rico, maybe not. If you're living in Dubai, of course you're not going to. Dubai is crypto friendly. But if you're living somewhere in the United States, very, very tax heavy. So just be aware and keep good records for tax purposes if you live in a tax area that will be taxing crypto. All right. So also COTI will not be staying at 9% at 37 cents. I just don't think so. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it will. But I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. On the 4-hour, I want to see COTI hold this price point of 37 cents. COTI needs to hold 37 cents to stay above the 4-day moving average, 4-hour 200-day moving average, and on the 4-hour chart. And so there you have it, friends. That's the news on COTI, ADA, SundaySwap, and congratulations to all ADA holders, and congratulations to SundaySwap for finally getting something done on the Cardano network. Cardano really needs it. So there you go, friends. Take care. Have a good week. Hopefully we will be bullish. Bitcoin right now 42,500, seeing some consolidation come in earlier. We're trying to hold that consolidation. Not sure if we will or not, but it does look like on the 4-hour, does look like we are fighting. We're fighting this drop here, but not sure how long we can hold off for. Still on the table, in my opinion, still possible 42,000 price point, and or below that 41,750 is possible. We'll just have to wait and see what happens with Bitcoin. Thank you, friends, for watching. Appreciate your time. Remember the number one rule: do not lose money. Number two rule: make money. Thank you for watching. Take care. Please let me know in the comment section below, are you staking ADA for SundaySwap? Let me know. Thanks.